Welcome to today's video, where we will explore the incredible technology of Maglev wind turbines, a revolutionary solution that uses magnetic levitation to transform wind energy into clean and efficient energy. Join us as we will delve into the fascinating world of renewable energy and discover how Maglev wind turbines are changing the game for sustainable energy production. A wind turbine that uses magnetic levitation, known as Maglev wind turbine or windmill, has been designed to replace traditional bearings in wind turbines. The Guangzhou Energy Research Institute under China Academy of Science and Guangzhou Energy Science and Technology Corporation Limited have developed a recent design for this technology. The new design claims to be able to operate with starting wind speeds as slow as 1.5 meters per second and cut-in speeds of 3 meters per second. This feature could increase the operating hours of wind power plants in areas with an average wind speed of 3 meters per second by 1000 hours annually. However, since wind energy varies as the third power of wind speed, the power generated at lower wind speeds would be lower compared to the traditional wind turbines under higher wind speeds. A Maglev wind turbine system uses magnetic levitation to replace conventional bearings and allows the turbine blades to rotate without friction, resulting in improved efficiency and reduced maintenance cost. The system consists of few main components. The number one is turbine blades. These are the rotating blades that capture the energy of the wind and convert it into rotational energy. The second key component is magnetic levitation system. This system uses a combination of permanent magnets and electromagnets to levitate the turbine blades and keep them in position. The magnets are arranged in such a way that the turbine blades can rotate freely around a central shaft without coming into contact with any other parts of the system. The third is control system. The control system is responsible for monitoring the position and the speed of the turbine blades and adjusting the magnetic fields to keep them stable and spinning at the correct speed. The last key component is generator. The rotational energy of the turbine blades is converted into electrical energy by a generator. When wind flows over the turbine blades, it causes them to rotate around a central shaft. The magnetic levitation system keeps the blades in position and allows them to rotate freely without friction, resulting in improved efficiency and reduced maintenance cost. The control system monitors the position and speed of the blades and adjusts the magnetic field to keep them stable and spinning at the correct speed. Finally, the generator converts the rotational energy of the turbine blades into electrical energy, which can be used to power homes, businesses, and other applications. It's worth noting that while Maglev wind turbines have the potential to operate at lower wind speeds than conventional wind turbines, the power output at such velocities is lower because the energy available in wind varies as the third power of wind speed. Therefore, Maglev wind turbines are best suited for the areas with low to medium wind speeds, where they can take advantage of their improved efficiency and reduced maintenance cost. Now we will have a look on the comparison of old wind turbines and Maglev wind turbines. The main difference between the old and new Maglev wind turbines is the technology used. The older wind turbines use gearboxes and bearings technology, which has higher operating cost and maintenance requirements and lower power output compared to Maglev wind turbines. Maglev wind turbines use magnetic levitation to suspend system components, which eliminates the need for higher structures and allows for more efficient and elegant method of producing power from wind. Maglev wind turbines can produce power output with low wind speed at 1.2 to 1.5 meters per second and up to the speeds as high as 40 meters per second. One magnetic levitation wind turbine can replace 1,000 traditional wind turbines and can do it using less than 100 acres of land. Because like the Maglev trains, the turbine rotates on a frictionless levitating magnetic base, it can produce up to 2 GW of renewable power without ever having to lubricate, service, or replace any parts. Now we will discuss the benefits of the Maglev wind turbines. The new Maglev wind turbines have several benefits over traditional wind turbines. including Maglev turbines can use wind starting from small velocities with starting speeds as low as 1.5 meter per second and can operate with winds exceeding 40 meters per second. The turbine rotates on a frictionless levitating magnetic base, which eliminates the need for lubrication, service, or the replacement of any parts, resulting in cheaper operational cost and a longer lifespan of the turbine. Maglev wind turbines have more even power output compared to traditional wind turbines, and the technology is more reliable and efficient. One magnetic levitation wind turbine can replace 1,000 traditional wind turbines and can do it using less than 100 acres of land. Magnetic wind turbines can produce up to 2 GW of renewable power without ever having to lubricate, service, or replace any parts. The latest Maglev turbine technology is capable of scaling to massive sizes, and the use of full permanent magnets eliminates friction to the maximum. Maglev wind turbines have larger blades of about 380 feet radii, which allow the turbines to produce power even with lower wind speeds. The current cost of Maglev wind turbines is slightly higher per watt of generating electricity compared to conventional turbines, with the latter costing between $1 and $1.25 per watt and the former about a third one. However, Maglev wind turbines offer several advantages over traditional turbines, such as lower operational cost, longer lifespan, and the ability to harness wind even at low velocities. They are also more efficient at capturing wind energy and can be scaled up to massive sizes with the use of full permanent magnets, which minimizes friction.